Ashibia Mwakwa Adom TV Badwam Jumede so yada Apostle Dr. Nite Kutegwa say eni nkranhye nsem de du so ne Badwam kase nsem ne obeti bi ewo mu ni kane Auditor General say oman se betimi asesa pa gese enya okandini papa eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase a wo hwe me live or Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube ya Adom TV 2 bidin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den nsem ni nchiremu etie Kane Auditor General Daniel Domlevo de tuja sa oman Ghana se yebetimi akoye ni mu pa de a gese yenya kendini papa ebu nsem nchiremu eni
tool for economic development and job creation in any country. But Ghana, we procure such that we export jobs. I think there must be a deliberate policy to look again at our procurement law to ensure it provides value for money, not in terms of only cedis.
Wasan akasafa eye anamoa Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice eye stretch etu ye for National Cathedral hono o se ne kwan so pepepe.
The media, you must continue exposing the abuses and the corruptions in the system, like the cathedral one that I talked about. And I would like to support the position of the Commission for Human Rights and Administrative Justice. In their report, they recommended that the Auditor General and the OSP comes and take the battle from where.
Yet also na Commissioner Masraj ne workers afa ayawa so west wo gwa baton pesua so special vote na aduane chekọ so no o say bambofo a wo mu gi bie ne de yanim gwase e de ma won kase no eto so.
When I looked at the video, it was more of an embarrassment because security officials must be security conscious. How can you come to exercise your franchise and somebody gives you food which you don't even know where the food is coming from, and you take it and you are happy that it's okay to take it, particularly when you are being given the opportunity to exercise that franchise in all.
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso hye no yeto so na sebeye na nkwada nketo e de won hye aware mu otu obetwenti no ene Girls Not Bright Ghana ese amamra no enna ho me hunu emfie no poten na ye mse ya afa bi ni mo ni so sebeye nkwada e de won hye aware mu ntemo no ebetimi abafo
amamra na ekire se onye ma ye nware won nyina no enye adwuma bi because ubanyim at the age of 18 and as they say no so ko bi mo na so ndi 18 so amra ni de ubedi enti be bre teenage pregnancy early marriage ni dia ye bo ho nkomo ene nyina no be bre na se enti me stress enu pa ne ade a ese na aka
and which national chairperson of that Girls Not Bright Ghana no first no say prempe eche Ghana in fear e da ho mo betimi aso aware emu ene de wose aban no eye edebo emaya ho ban
tie hu nkwala aware na efesi etu na se ye de mra eka obehu se ena me amamre ne amanye bi ntino ye ntumi en report ana ye ntumi kra ensi anokwan
Ayentoa yeto akase no eso na no the Electoral Commission ballot papers presidential and parliamentary 3.6 million we pay mantemodie on ahye no
there by yourself that the exercise has been very successful. Actually, we brought all the parties together, the constituency executives, MPP, NDC, CPP, all of them have been here. They checked the seals on the ballot paper bags and they saw that everything was intact before we offloaded them, and then now we are burning them. So it's been very successful.
Yanto aso main post sahine Dr. George Akufudampare so de kokobopa na ema private security fo no a ye koto aba no obehye natade abehunu akrofo munyina ye monso ma beti aketi metweme no so munyina ye na ye nsoma ho na uba ho amra no ho ene obedi.
Anything that resembles security, we feel that is unacceptable in this critical period of time. Anybody of that caliber anywhere, near any polling station, any community environment, any coalition center. When we find you in your question,
Frankatuni mind this amanyoko John Dramani Mahama say ene fake news no ados na ne titru no free Flagstaff House a won wo kan edigu ono ne ho fi a wo kire say entwayi kase no etwaso.
Yeah, seat of government enim hu bi. Omo department or ho omedwuma ne says fake news no. Omo de etodwa. Ano pay me sorry na na okra me. Say obekon kranza eyie. Enti me bompa ese nyame fa onkomra anope me sori ya se me makofa enkoda bi wotechi man so omonto abo embo otumfo eyi
Ghana mampani na na dodanko akufuado se agenda 111 project ready ohomu nchemu adu oson wonu mawie.
Predictably, when I announced to the world that this is something I wanted to undertake, I was met by the naysayers. He's lying, it's a gimmick, this is political gimmickry, he's looking for votes, it cannot happen, blah, blah, blah. Well, yes. Well, what I can say is that today, in the month before I'm ready to hand over, 70% of the Agenda 111 projects have been completed.
Maminya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase no aha na brema kwan na no peye de siase da na ye wodia omre ne wadaje awade hwe osomfa nkomra asomdue mu nemo ye besere ne dim ye de obon krata no ba na fe ye bie phone lines no so fi say aka 3 days ne yakwa akwoto aba na so do adwen kire no aba obetimi ahwe live on Facebook yakwa aba.